Hello everyone, so here I am sharing the recipe of Koraisutir Kochuri which I had with the same aloo dum and tomato chutney which I have shown in my previous videos. If you have not seen them, do check them out, link is given in the description box. So starting with the dough, I have taken some all-purpose flour or maida, taken some salt in it and then some oil in it, and I'm just kneading it. We'll just knead the flour dry without water till the consistency of the thing is like this, and then we'll add water and knead again. And after a lot of kneading, it will become like this. The dough should not be too soft or too tight. It should be just in between somewhere. And at this point I'm done with the dough, so I'm covering it with a damp cloth and I'll keep it aside. So here we are making the masala for the pea stuffing, taking some fennel seed and cumin seed, that is sauf and jeera, and dry roasting them. So this is how it's looking and the smell is really nice. So I'm using the same grinder for making a smooth paste of the peas. So taking some oil in the pan and then some ginger in it. Just fry it for some time and then we'll be adding the smooth paste of the peas which we have made, and then we will just fry the paste for some time so that the raw smell of the peas goes away. Of course, seasoning is very important, so salt and also the masala which we have made, that is the dry roast masala made of fennel and cumin. So after frying it for some good time, when the color changes, I know that it's done. Tasted it for the seasoning, mine is just fine. So moving ahead for the next part. So the next thing what I've done is made some round shapes of the stuffing and the dough as well. Now it's time to just put the stuffing into the dough and we will make some shapes like this. I don't know what is it called. Some good amount of ghee and oil in the kadai, and then we will just roll out the shapes we have made. And I prefer to do it all at a time, like I roll out these things first and then I fry it all together. Actually, I guess I'm doing quite good at rolling them out round, almost round. At least they are not looking like any map. Time to just fry them up. Trust me guys, seeing these things puffed up so round, it gives you immense happiness and satisfaction. So my mother-in-law always uses half ghee and half oil because all of the ghee is not really very healthy option, but the half thing really makes a difference in the taste. Be it fulko luchi or fulko kochuri, they hold a very special place in every Bengali's heart. And I have the same feeling for them as any Bengali would have. And it's done. Oh, I'm very proud of myself. Thank you for watching this video guys. Do subscribe and stay connected. Bye.